Now we can discuss about B2B business ideas, affiliate marketing. What is that? We can discuss now. My name is Ganesh and my YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. That is SEEYOURNEEDS, See Your Needs. Now we can go into the subject about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers promote products of other people and earn commissions on their sales. Amazon is currently the most popular platform for affiliate marketing, but there are many alternatives as well. Affiliate marketing is often combined with blogging to create a seamless mix of content and promotion. In affiliate marketing also, this is the very good popular platform is Amazon. Nowadays, some unpopular online marketing online like Amazon.com is an e-commerce website. Likewise, so many other websites are also there, just like e-commerce, Amazon.com. Likewise, Flipkart is there, eBay.com is there. Likewise, newly floated e-commerce websites are also there. You can get, they will give very good commission instead of when compared to all these Amazon.com and eBay.com and Flipkart. These newly coming e-commerce websites are also give very good commission to the affiliate marketers. By that also they can earn very well. Customer will see his cost, will see the cost and quality. Two things they will see, which is Amazon or Flipkart or eBay. All these things he won't think. He will think only two things: best quality and competitive price. These two only he will see. Then he will get it, irrespective of the e-commerce site also. Because if he is having any fear in online, he won't use debit card. Let it come to the home, then we can pay. Cash and delivery they are booking. Likewise, affiliate marketing is increasing like anything, and you can select very good websites and promote your products, promote promote other marketers, other marketing companies' products and services, and then you will get very good marketing, uh, very good commission opportunities also. Likewise, affiliate marketing is a very good business nowadays in the world. But some are settling very well and some are not, because they are having very good. They should select a very good product, and they should have a compact banner that is 728 into 90, otherwise 350 into 250 and 300 into 200 pixel sizes of banners are there. Which banner will be useful to the compatible to their things also they have to think over. Especially in social media also, affiliate marketers are exposing so much regarding affiliate marketing. Those are twitter.com is there, facebook.com is there, and linkedin.com is there, pinterest.com is there, and Reddit is there, and Instagram is there. All these are all supporting the people to introduce their products without any cost. So you can utilize all these things and you can flourish your products very well. But it should be a limitation. You can promote one product in one company, in one company website in one time only. It is a healthy ethics I am saying. If you maintain likewise, it will be very useful to you, and you will get very good commission also. Wishing you all the best.